Hey guys, it's Justin here with Rev and Explore Power Sport Previews, and today we want to bring you an exciting build we did here at the shop. We went ahead and put a full cab on the Uforce 1000XL. Also, the customer went ahead and added these Camso UTV 4S1 track kit to it, as well as picked up the CFMOTO 800XC, and once again added the Camso ATV T4S track system to them. We thought it was pretty cool. The cab system is actually from a company called Hardcabs. It's called DFK Cab. Clear suicide doors on these guys with metal framing. Does have slide open glass windows in there as well. True automotive tempered glass windshield. You can tip it out about 4 inches or all the way out if you need a little bit more airflow or access. But one of the best ceiling cabs in our industry. And since it was pretty cool looking, we wanted to go ahead and shoot a little video and show you what they look like. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We got more to come soon.